me show you how to become a millionaire. All you need is to have one thing that you can get $10 for. I want you to do it 10 more times. That's all. You'll have $100. Now, when you get that $100, whatever you did to get the $100, you do it 10 more times. You're gonna have $1,000. What I want you to do is do it 10 more times. That's what I want you to do. You'll now have $10,000. Whatever you did to make the $10,000, do it 10 more times. You're gonna have $100,000. Here's the trick of tricks. Once you make $100,000, you're gonna have to hire a few people. All I want you to do after you make the $100,000, same thing you did to make $100,000. I just want you to do it 10 more times. Congratulations. You are a millionaire.